Beautiful friends, welcome back to the garden. This is this side. I need to come back tomorrow to cut out this eucalypt stick. Oh my God, the smell of that. The smell of that eucalypt stick. But you know what? I'm just gonna trim it down completely because she's a big specimen. She take a lot of space before. Because I don't want people to come here looking at the house. They saw all that big tree, and she really take a lot of space. I'm just gonna debranch her completely, and for me to have some space, or when people come to see the house, they can have some space over here. And there's another mango I really like, but usually this mango, they just open out. They don't even take a while to be ready. The fruit is open out completely. I think this one is Mashonak mango. Mashonak mango. That was a small one also. And I put over here. Look at her. Trunk is good. But the tree, when she's ready, and she give a lot of fruit. One branch can carry even 10 or 11 fruit, more, or even more than that. But all of them fall down. That's the thing. I don't know why this tree cannot keep her fruit. She cannot keep her fruit for nothing. But it is what it is. I have other trees, and I'm good with that. I have some sugar cane over here, some black sugar cane, which is the favorite sugar cane here. And I have them right here. And of course, this is my patio where I have some of my garden. I have my bird here. And of course, I'm moving. I have my hot tub chairs. When I used to have some people over, yes, I have some friends over. And yes, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.